up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. We're Eamon and Bec, and we live in our self-converted Sprinter van all year round.
I don't know why, but we do.
If you're new around here, you might not know that we own a tea company based out of Toronto, Ontario, Canada, and that keeps us put here in cold, snowy Canada for the winter months, unfortunately.
So if you're crazy like this, like us,
Yeah.
and you want to learn more about living in a van in winter, stay tuned. We're going to get all into the dirty details. If you're an intelligent human being, take your vehicle and drive south, because that's what you should be doing. Before we get a little bit more into flannel sheets, one of my favorite topics, I would like to let you know that this video is sponsored by Squarespace. So big shout out to the people over at Squarespace. We're going to get into that a little bit more here at the end of the video.
Okay, let's turn this. I'm gonna just vlog it. The desire to make this video started 2 nights ago when you and I were in the office and we came out to the van and there was snow everywhere. And for a long time we could just pretend that it was like gonna get cold, but it wasn't happening. Now it's cold.
It's
really
cold, and it's
cold.
not even near where it's gonna be. The biggest game changer of the season has been these flannel sheets. I know they're hideous, guys, and they've got little red dots.
Watch out! They're not hideous.
They're
Where's your
cute-ish.
patriotism?
Sorry, Jerry, I don't like the red dots. Jerry bought these for us.
Eamon has an aversion to the color red.
Aversion?
Aversion.
What does that mean?
Like you don't like the color red?
Oh, I have a serious aversion to the color red.
I get a lot of questions from you guys about my wardrobe and whether we have a seasonal turnover. The answer is yes. We're lucky enough to have an office space, so we have one box that we kind of put our summer stuff in when it's winter and take out our winter stuff when it's winter. You know what I mean? I only have this space for all of my clothing, so I'm gonna pull out my summer stuff.
So you can fit 3 sweaters in there total.
And fit 3 sweaters. That's our box of clothing. Now, if you don't have an office space like us, maybe you have a friend or a parent's house where you can just leave, honestly, this is all we have, a little box of stuff. It's a really great opportunity also to like go through your clothing and make sure that you're gonna wear everything. And if you don't like something anymore, donate it. I can't donate this. This is my sister's dress, so don't mind that. Normally I'd fold it really nice, but you know, we're on a time crunch with the camera on my face here, so that's gonna go.
Don't blame the camera, buddy.
Fold it up nice, back up there until it's hot again. One more tip for a minimalist wardrobe in winter, it's so important to layer. What's that, buddy? Back it up.
The lighting's much better back there.
So make sure you layer, guys, because honestly, it's the only way to survive.
How many you got?
Only 2. I don't know why I did that. We're gonna edit that out, right?
No. I want to get a nice, big, comfy rug.
Yeah.
Something for your feet, because we didn't insulate our floor properly, and it is freezing waking up in the morning. I dread it every single time. So this little guy is just not going to survive. Suffice.
But what's the plan here? Because this little guy was really good for like putting shoes. So where are we gonna put our shoes?
Yeah, so I'm gonna have that guy on top of the other little guy.
Really? That's ugly.
Well, maybe we'll have to compromise.
Okay.
And as per usual, we have decided to go out at the worst time possible, rush hour traffic.
Normally around this time of year in Canada, we start thinking about tires. What tires do we have on our van?
We have the KO2s.
Yeah, that doesn't mean anything to me either.
It's
but they're good. They're like all season tires.
Yeah. The reason why we went with them is A, they're super aggressive and great for off-road, but B, they're winter rated, so you have to switch them over. It's like a no-brainer.
It is,
especially for van life, where you don't know if you're going to the mountains or you're going to the desert, or you don't know what. You don't want to be limited by your tires. So
exactly.
I recommend these tires. They've been great.
Can you see okay?
Yeah.
Our office is right near a bunch of outlet stores. Is that what they're called? Outlet stores. So discounted versions of the store. So we're gonna pop into the first one and see if we can find a floor rug.
Might just be walking through.
Just keep. Shop number 1, no bueno. It's interesting because our space is both a front door and a cozy like family room.
That's why you almost need a rug on top of a rug.
Okay, let's keep looking.
Okay.
Shop number 2, just not cozy enough. An arm to the neck.
To the neck. By arm to the 1, 2, 3. The neck by the arm to the 1, 2, 3. You don't have a mat that size? Are you crazy? You know what?
Yeah, and this one actually looks like it might be an arm's length with a cord. That'll work.
That's a perfect measurement.
Buddy, we're supposed to be looking for a mat.
I know, but look at these. These actually match the theme of the Canada flannel that we have on our bed. How cute. Not exactly sure why we left the last place without getting a mat, but now we're at another place. Why did we do that? Oh, I really wanted the ones that had like.
You gotta go to a specialty shop for that, Bec.
Yeah.
This is the last one.
Oh no!
Oh no, you snaked it.
This one has lavender in it.
Take the lavender back.
Alright.
Crack it
Enjoy
open.
your menthol.
Yeah.
How would you rate your experience right now?
Well, I picked up some tissues that literally feel like I'm blowing my nose on cardboard. So there's that.
The boot tray's gonna be ugly as anything.
The boot tray is the ugliest thing I've ever seen.
Too big?
You had me convinced that that's what we needed.
Well, it's kind of key, like if we have our boots.
Well, we're gonna have our boots.
Yeah, imagine like getting in with the boots in the snow.
Yeah. It's a good thing we brought our measuring tape. Yeah.
I think that this is the best move.
Black on black. I know that a lot of very smart people out there are going to tell me you should wash your sheets before you put them on your bed. But I can't wait. And we don't have a laundry machine in our house. So I'm just gonna put these beautiful new flannels on while Eamon sorts out the rug for us. How's that looking, Boo?
Cozy, buddy.
Cozy. Oh, it's not that bad. Oh, never mind, it's pretty bad.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
This is perfect for us because it's such a little trailer. And also, I can hardly believe it, but this company knows us so well. They've put tempeh bacon. Yay!
I wonder how they knew to put tempeh. That's...
The times are changing.
I gotta cut out this angle here. But also it looks like we're a little bit too big over there. And we're a little tight over here.
The boot tray looks ridiculous to some. I'll admit it. But I have been using it for about 4 or 5 entrances, and I like it.
I do, Bec. I like it.
Okay. Okay.
What do you think?
I mean, I get it, but
Not what you envisioned.
I'm gonna change it to my flannel PJs. They are another thing I would highly recommend for van life, so give me a second here. Much better.
Alright, I don't know why, but we're getting all comfy and cozy and we haven't even had the dinners. We have, you know what we made the other night?
What?
We got our soups.
That sounds good.
We wanna make that?
Dinner?
Should we tell them about it?
Yes!
Or should we wait?
No, we should give them a sneak preview of something that we do for,
Yep, here you go.
Hey guys, what's up? In the winter, we do this batch making of soups, dried soups, and they're perfect for van life. They're actually going to be recipes in our ebook. Oh, wow. Wait, hold on, wait. Hold on. I want to see them like properly. That's pretty.
Which one do you want to have?
Let's do Detox.
This is Detox.
So these are going to be some recipes in our cookbook.
And guys, the reason why they're amazing is because you can literally whip up a bunch of these, and then on a night where you don't know what you want to do, you just chuck it in there. And you add like 8 cups of water, let it simmer for like 15 minutes, boom, you got a banging soup. Yeah, hearty, like protein heavy, just delicious. Maybe we'll just Netflix and chill while we wait for that to cook, or? Yeah, I need about 50 minutes of your patience, and soup will be served.
With our heater on all night, our house becomes super, super dry and we're like, can't even swallow in the morning. So we are just currently searching on Amazon for a humidifier, which is pretty cool. Did you find one that you're gonna get, bud?
I'm such a sucker for the frequently bought together section. This little cutie.
Coming in hot.
Amazon bestseller, coming to a house near me tomorrow. You wanna watch this little promotional video to get sold on?
No, I'm sold.
Indoor relative humidity.
Buddy, are you seriously watching it?
Fahrenheit or Celsius. Daily high and low information.
spicy batch, buddy.
Guys, this is our detox soup. So we're gonna be launching it in the ebook, like we've talked about. And we wanna quickly tell you about Squarespace. That's who we're gonna work with to launch our ebook.
Yeah, so Squarespace.
Hit him with the ad, Bec.
Squarespace has designer award-winning templates. And the best part about their platform is that you never have to patch, upgrade, or reinstall anything ever. They also have 24/7 customer service support.
So if you guys are an artist, a blogger, or just want to create an amazing, beautiful website, hit up Squarespace. They're going to give you a special promotion code and 10% off.
A free trial.
A free trial and 10% off.
if you go to squarespace.com/Eamon Bec.
Check it out. Honestly, we're super excited to be sharing our website with you.
Yeah, we're really
very
excited.
soon.
Okay. Now we're gonna go eat this, probably watch Friends on my device, and you'll watch some weird reviews or whatever.
Loving the AirPods, tune each other right out.
And until next time, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and that's it. That's all.
That's all we ask.
A little too spicy this batch.